This is a civil defense message for Saturday, June 30th at 5 in the afternoon. Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports that Fissure 8 continues to be very active and is feeding a lava channel to the ocean at Kapoho. The flow is producing a broad ocean entry along the shoreline and is also oozing fresh lava at Kapoho beach lots. Fissure 22 is also active and producing a short flow. Gas emissions from the fissure eruption and laze at the ocean entry continue to be very high. The National Weather Service reports light winds will cause SO2 levels to rise as gases build up in affected areas. Do take precautions and reduce exposure by staying indoors or leave affected areas. Secure facilities before gas levels increase. SO2 levels are monitored and may be tracked through Civil Defense and Department of Health websites. Disaster assistance is available island-wide to individuals and businesses in Hawaii County that have been affected by the Kilauea eruption. You can register for disaster assistance with the Federal Emergency Management Agency in person by visiting the Disaster Recovery Center by calling 1-800-621-3362 or online at disasterassistance.gov. The Disaster Recovery Center is open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and is located at the Keao High School gym. If you need a ride, buses will be running between the two shelters and the Disaster Recovery Center between 7:30 a.m. and 9 p.m. For more resources to help you recover from this disaster, please visit the county website. We are on watch 24 hours a day for your safety. This is your Hawaii County Civil Defense Agency.